हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लालू स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम वीकली करंट अफेयर शो का तीसरा पार्ट कवर करेंगे, जिसमें 9 अगस्त से लेकर 16 अगस्त तक की इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर हम कवर करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। हमारा सेशन का पहला क्वेश्चन है, द 79th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट विल बी सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन व्हिच डेट? इसका आंसर है अगस्त 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज जॉन क्रिजिस्टॉफ ड्यूडा ऑफ व्हिच कंट्री ओन द 2021 FID वर्ल्ड कप? आंसर इज पोलैंड। ये पोलैंड का खिलाड़ी है, पोलैंड का प्लेयर है ये। Question number 3. The first heart failure biobank has come up in which state? The first biobank in Indian state. Answer is Kerala. Question number 4. Who authored the book the title A Begum and a Rani? Answer is Rudrangshu Mukherjee. Question number 5. Who has won a gold medal for India in the javelin throw event at Tokyo Olympics? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Question number 6. Which one has secured patent registration for its innovative plastic mixed handmade paper? Plastic mixed handmade paper. Answer is KVIC. KVIC का फुल फॉर्म है खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज कमीशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which one is the one-stop passenger helpline launched by Indian Railway? आंसर इज रेल मदद। ये एक ऐप है, रेल मदद एक ऐप है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. India along with which two countries have agreed to work on 4 pillars of security cooperation? Answer is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Question number 9. Who authored the book The Biography of a Failed Venture, Decoding Success Secret from the Black Box of a Dead Startup? आंसर इज प्रशांत देसाई। इसका ऑथर है प्रशांत देसाई। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador to Eurosport India? आंसर इज जॉन अब्राहम। एक इंडिया का एक्टर है जॉन अब्राहम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Who got nominated for another term of 3 years as chairperson of the NCW? Answer is Rekha Sharma. Question number 12. International Cat Day is being celebrated on which date? Answer is August 8. Question number 13. Who is the first woman pilot of India? ये इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। आंसर इज सरला ठोकराल। ये इनका पिक्चर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Which state has launched the E-Nagar मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन? ये है इसका ऐप है E-Nagar। आंसर इज गुजरात। Question number 15. Swiggy launched electric cycle in which city? आंसर इज हैदराबाद। ये इसका साइकिल ऐसा कुछ देखता है, इसका साइकिल जिसमें डिलीवरी करने के लिए ले जाते हैं। ये है स्विगी का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. The first hydrogen fuel cell based train will run in which state? So answer is हरियाणा. वो ट्रेन ऐसा कुछ है, हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल बेस्ड ट्रेन. So question number 17. Johnson and Johnson vaccine that has been approved in India belongs to which country? So answer is USA. So question number 18. Jai Talwar 2021 is the bilateral exercise of India and which country? So answer is United Arab Emirates, UAE. इसका आंसर है UAE. Question number 19. Which state has become the first one to issue the order about the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020? So answer is Karnataka. So question number 20. Which state has signed an MOU with Walmart Vridhi and Haq Darshak? So answer is Haryana. So question number 21. Which country has granted a patent to an airlines agency system for the first time? So answer is South Africa. Question number 22. Ralph Gonsalves, who was attacked recently, is the Prime Minister of which country? So answer is Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. So question number 23. The 7th edition of the International Army Games will be held in which country in 2021? So answer is Russia. Question number 24. Which state won the AI Game Changer Award in the Experience All Summit organized by NASSCOM? So answer is Telangana. Question number 25. In which amendment bill has been introduced in Lok Sabha that seeks to give power to states to make their OBC list? OBC means other backward classes. So answer is 127 amendment. So question number 26. The National Javelin Throw Day will be celebrated on which date? So answer is August 7. Question number 27. Who is the first Prime Minister of India to chair the United Nations Security Council? So answer is Narendra Modi. Question number 27. Who authored the book titled The Newer Version of the Diary of a 14-year-old? So answer is Brisha Jain. Question number 28. What is the rank of India in global coronavirus innovation rankings? So answer is 32nd. Question number 29. Brushka Bandhan project is being organized in which city? So answer is Aurangabad. Question number 30. World Biofuel Day is observed on which date? So answer is August 10. Question number 31. The National Youth Awards 2017-18 will be conferred in which city? So answer is Delhi. Question number 32. Who authored the book titled The Earth Spinner? So answer is Anuradha Roy. Question number 33. Who authored the book titled How the Earth Got Its Beauty? So answer is Sudha Murthy. Question number 34. Who state announced Rajiv Gandhi Award for Excellence in the IT sector? So answer is Maharashtra. Question number 35. Which one has approved the study on mixing the Covaxin and Covishield vaccine? So answer is DGGI. इसका फुल फॉर्म है द ड्रग्स कंट्रोलर एंड जनरल ऑफ इंडिया. Question number 36. Which country has confirmed the first case of the contagious Marburg virus? So answer is Guinea. वेस्ट अफ्रीका का एक कंट्री है गिनिया. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. व्हिच कंट्री विल होस्ट द फर्स्ट इंटरनेट गवर्नेंस फोरम? सो आंसर इज इंडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. व्हिच वन हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक्सचेंज टू एंटर द यूनिकॉर्न क्लब? सो आंसर इज CoinDCX. The Investor Summit 2021 is to be organized in which state? So answer is Gujarat. Question number 40. The Indian Navy has linked an MOU with which bank to initiate Honor Fast? So answer is IDFC. Question number 41. Which Bollywood actor was recently appointed as UNICEF Celebrity Advocate for the global campaign EVAC, that is Ending Violence Against Children? So answer is Ayushman Khurrana. Question number 42. RBI has approved in which player in the public awareness campaign to warn people against digital banking frauds? सो आंसर इज नीरज चोपड़ा, जो कि गोल्ड मेडल जीते थे टोक्यो ओलंपिक में जैवलिन थ्रो पर. सो आंसर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. व्हिच कंट्री हैड द हाईएस्ट डाटा कंजप्शन पर पर्सन पर मंथ? सो आंसर इज इंडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. यूनिसेफ इंडिया विथ व्हिच सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म has launched a one-year joint initiative on ending violence against children with a special focus on online safety? So answer is Facebook. Question number 45. Which country President Ibrahim Raisi named the chairman of a powerful state-owned foundation sanctioned by the United States as its first vice president? So answer is Iran. इनका प्रेसिडेंट का नाम है इब्राहिम रईस. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. Which state became the first state to recognize the community forest resource rights in urban areas? So answer is छत्तीसगढ़. एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. What is the rank of India on the Global Youth Development Index? So answer is 122. Question number 48. Which one has unveiled digital prayas? So answer is SIDBI. Question number 49. Maiden Al Wahid Al Hindi exercise is set to begin between the Indian Navy and which other country? So answer is Saudi Arabia. Question number 50. The Supreme Court of India has fined how many parties for non-compliance with its order on making public criminal records of candidates? So answer is 8. 8 parties. Question number 51. The International Youth Day is observed on which date? So answer is August 12. Question number 52. Which one has become the first national park in the country to have been equipped with satellite phones? So answer is Kaziranga. Question number 53. Shakib Al Hasan, who was named the ICC Player of the Month for July, belongs to which country? So answer is Bangladesh. Question number 54. Which country has recently tested a fired surface to surface nuclear capable ballistic missile called Ghazni? So answer is Pakistan. Question number 55. Which country chaired the 28th ASEAN Regional Forum Foreign Ministers meeting? So answer is Brunei. Question number 56. Adipuram is being celebrated in which state? So answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 57. Which city has now been declared as the first water plus city of India under Swachh Surakshan? So answer is Indore. Question number 58. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority? So answer is Kamlesh Kumar Pant. Question number 59. Which satellite of ISRO recently failed to reach orbit? So answer is GISAT 1. GISAT 1. Question number 60. World Elephant Day is observed every year on which date? So answer is August 12. Question number 61. Who has been appointed as the first brand ambassador of Casify? So answer is Rajkumar Rao. Question number 62. Who has assumed additional charge of Governor of Mizoram? So answer is Brig Dr. Mishra. Question number 63. Who authored the book titled Art, Cinema and India's Forgotten Futures, Film and History in the Post-Colony? So answer is Rochona Majumdar. Question number 64. 130th edition of Durand Cup football tournament is scheduled to be held at which city? So answer is Kolkata. Question number 65. Which state has recently passed the Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 aimed at regularly slaughter, consumption and transportation of cattle? So answer is Assam. Question number 66. Indian Space Research Organization will launch which Bhutanese satellite in 2021? एक important question है. So answer is INS-2V. So question number 67. The AU Small Finance Bank has unveiled which company? So answer is बदलाव हमसे है. Question number 68. Which country has ended the virginity tests on female cadets? So answer is Indonesia. Question number 69. Who is the new CEO of Royal Enfield and ED of HR Motors Limited? So answer is B. Govindarajan. Question number 70. Kandahar, which has been captured by the Taliban recently, is in which country? So answer is Afghanistan. Question number 71. India exported the consignment of 5 apples varieties from Himachal Pradesh to which country? So answer is Bahrain. Question number 72. Which country has practically shut down the world's third busiest container port after a worker there tested positive for COVID-19? So answer is China. Question number 73. Which organization has urged Afghanistan's neighbors to keep their borders open as the number of civilians fleeing the Taliban onslaught is increasing? So answer is United Nations. Question number 75. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इंडियाज फर्स्ट कैटल जीनोमिक चिप फॉर द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ प्योर वेराइटीज ऑफ इंडिजिनस कैटल ब्रीड्स? सो आंसर इज इंडिगो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76. Recently launched Operation Blue Freedom is being taken in which area? So answer is Siachen. Question number 76. India's first Doran Forensic Lab and Research Center have come up in which state? So answer is Kerala. Question number 77. Which campaign has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launched for the marketing of urban self-help group products? So answer is सोनचिड़िया. So आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है which state has launched the e-crop survey initiative? So answer is महाराष्ट्र. So आज का सेशन यहीं पर खत्म होता है. जिसको भी आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.